Hey everyone, welcome to the all new Shopify Development Course. In today's video, we are going to kick things off by exploring the first steps in your Shopify journey, that is creating your Shopify Partner account, then opening a development store and getting yourself familiarized with the development store interface. So Shopify Partner account is free and you can create development store in that partner account, and you can request access to a client store that's already there to work and collaborate with your client, and you can work on your development skills on your development store. So now let's jump into the practical side of things. Let's just search Shopify Partner. Here it is, Shopify Partner. Join now. And I will sign up with Google. You can choose whatever method you will prefer. Let's choose my Google account. If you don't see this, make sure you are on the correct link, partner.shopify.com. So then choose the location, fill in all your details in the forms, and congratulations, you are now a Shopify partner. Now you can familiarize yourself with these things, but let's just open a development store. Here it is, create a development store. You can also request access to the client store that is already working. If you in future, if you are ever work with a client. Now let's create a development store. I will choose it as I am building this one for teaching. Store name, let's just keep it URL is available. Let's just leave these things as it is. Now create a development store. It's creating a store for us. Now your development store is live, and this development store is a sandbox for you to build and test all your development skills, and you can test the new features here without affecting the customer data. So this is home. When a store is live, you will see here the analytics of the store, like sales and conversion rates and things like that. In this tab you will see the orders, here the products which we will be adding in the next video, then customers, content. This one will create show the meta fields and the files that we have uploaded in our store. Currently it's empty. This one is analytics, marketing, discounts, and online store. This is the area where we will be spending most of our time in the online store. It comes installed with Dawn theme, and we will be working on this theme to learn the development. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these sections. It's essential to know where everything is when you start building and customizing your Shopify store, and explore these settings. You can turn on and off different settings. We will explore these settings when we will need them. For now, let's close it. That wraps up our first video on creating a Shopify partner account and creating a development store and navigating the interface. In the next video, we will explore how we can customize this store, and we will be adding the products in this store as well. So stay tuned for the next video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel so you can get the latest updates on the next videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.